Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a photo with text in Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, etc. Select generate. Now go ahead and describe what you want to create. Give few details, then tap on generate on the top right corner of the keyboard. Once you do that, Photoleap will start generating your photo. All you have to do is go ahead, select the one you like and tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you generate a photo with text in Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.